you ever wondered how some startup go from zero to $1 billion valuation in just a few years? What secret strategy do they use that others don't? And why do so many startups fail? Well, a select few become industry giant. Stay with me till the end because today we are uncovering the hidden playbook behind America's most successful unicorn startup. Number one, the unicorn phenomenon. A unicorn startup is a privately held company that reaches a valuation of $1 billion or more. The term was coined by venture capitalist Ellen Lee in 2013 when such startups were rare, just like mythical unicorns. But today there are hundreds of them and many are rewriting the rules of business. So, what makes them different? Number two, the mindset of unicorn founders. If we look at the founders of unicorn startup, we see a common mindset, obsession with solving a big problem. Take Elon Musk, for example. Before Tesla became a $1 trillion company, Musk was laser focused on transforming the automobile industry. He was not just trying to sell electric cars, he wanted to eliminate the need of gasoline entirely. Or look at Airbnb, founded by Brian Chesky and Joey Gebbia. They did not start by saying, let's make a hotel business. They asked, what if people could rent out their spare rooms and travelers could win cheaper palace to stay? The lesson, unicorn founders don't chase money first, they chase massive, world-changing ideas. Number third, the power of timing. Did you know that one of the biggest reasons startups fail is not because of a bad product or lack of funding. It's bad timing. Bill Gross, the founder of Idea Lab, analyzed hundreds of startups and found that timing account for 42% of a startup success. Think about this. Uber launched right when smartphones and GPS technology become mainstream. Zoom skyrockets because remote work become a necessity. TikTok exploded as short video content become the trend. The secret, the best unicorn don't just create great products, they launch them at the perfect time. Number 4, disruptive business model. Here is a question. Why do unicorn startups often beat well-established companies? The answer is disruptive innovation. They don't play by the old rules, they rewrite them. For example, Netflix did not just improve video rentals, it killed them by introducing on-demand streaming. Robinhood made investing accessible by removing trading fees, something big brokerage firms refuse to do. SpaceX made reusable rockets a reality, slashing the cost of space travel. The takeaway, unicorn startups don't complete, they change the game entirely. Number 5, smart scalping strategy. Most businesses struggle with growth, but unicorn startups scale insanely fast. How? They use network effect and viral marketing. For example, Facebook and Instagram grow because the more people join, the more valuable they become. PayPal paid users to refer their friends, leading to exponential growth. Dropbox offered free storage for referrals, turning users into marquees. Instead of spending billions on ads, unicorn startups let their users grow the business for them. Number 6, fundraising and investor psychology. Here is something fascinating. Investors don't just fund good ideas, they fund confidence and momentum. The biggest unicorn startups raise billions because they create sense of urgency and fear of missing out among investors. Take Stripe, for example, they strategically took investment from powerful backers like Elon Musk and Peter Thiel, making other investors eager to join in. Lesson: if you want investors to bet on you, show them that others already are. Number 7, culture of innovation and speed. Most big companies move slowly. Unicorn startups move fast. Jeff Bezos has a famous principle: make decisions with 70% of the information. He believed that waiting for perfect data slows business down. Startups like Tesla, Uber, and Airbnb did not wait for perfection. They launched fast, learned from real users, and iterated quickly. That is why unicorn startups dominate. They don't wait, they innovation at lightning speed. Number 8, the dark side of unicorn. But wait, if unicorn startups are so smart, why do some of them fail spectacularly? Remember Theranos? It was once valued at $9 billion but collapsed due to fraud. Or WeWork, which aimed for a $47 billion IPO but crashed due to reckless spending. Lesson: hype alone is not enough. Long-term success requires real value, ethical leadership, and sustainable growth. The final takeaway: so, what is the ultimate secret behind America's unicorn startup? It's mix of visionary thinking, perfect timing, disruptive innovation, rapid scaling, and investor psychology. But the most important ingredient: relentless execution. Ideas alone don't create unicorn. Taking massive action does. Now, here is a question for you. If you had the chance to build the next unicorn startup, what problem would you solve? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insight. See you in the next one.